Let's say someone opened your email but maybe didn't click on any links. Now, instead of losing that lead, try sending them a follow-up with a 20% discount, and chances are they'll click this time. At MailerLite, everyone deserves a second chance. Now, of course, we're talking about retargeting, a powerful way to reconnect with subscribers who maybe showed interest but didn't follow through. Retargeting emails can have an open rate as high as 45%, which is almost double industry average. If you're on a MailerLite paid plan, you can use an auto resend campaign to automatically send out a second follow-up email to subscribers who didn't open your email or opened it but didn't click on any links. So let's get that set up. Start in your MailerLite dashboard. Head over to Campaigns in the left sidebar, and then click Create Campaign. Then we're going to go with Auto Resend Campaign. Go ahead and fill out your campaign details. And then under campaign type, I'm going to choose the second option so that we can change the subject line and add a personal message. Let's go ahead and create two subject lines below that, one for the initial email and one for the retargeting email. Then we'll add some pre-header text. Then we'll select the recipients. And make sure you've got your tracking settings set up as well. And then once you're all set, hit Next Content. For the design, we'll go with a pre-designed template that we can customize. All right, now in your design, you'll want to go ahead and customize everything to fit your brand. For now, let's just add a small discount code here. And that looks good, so we'll hit Done Editing. That'll take us over to the window where we can add a personal message. Let's go ahead and type that in. Then we'll add a personalization over here. Let's say their name. All right, next, we're going to hit Next, Auto Resend Settings. And then we're going to choose who gets the second email. So I'll choose those who didn't open the first email. I'm going to do that because we're changing the subject line, which is designed to get them to open the email. Then hit Next, Review. And then before sending, you can review and edit the subject lines and content if needed. And then for the scheduling, I'll schedule the first campaign to go out now, but then we'll set the auto resend to go out 1 week later. This will give the subscribers time to engage with the first campaign before the resend. And then once you're all set, click Send. You can also manually create retargeting lists based on past campaign activity. And here's how. We're going to go over to the campaigns page. Then make sure you're in the Sent tab. Go ahead and choose a campaign, and then click View Report, and then click Subscriber Activity. Here, you can view your list of subscribers that the campaign was sent to, and you can see who opened the email, who clicked, and who didn't do one or both of those actions. For this example, we'll select the subscribers who didn't open the campaign, but you can also choose to retarget those who didn't click. After you've got them selected, click over to Actions, and then select Copy to Group. Here, you can either add to a group that you've already got, or you can create one specifically for this resend campaign. Click Add to New Group, and then click Save. Now you can create a new campaign with an irresistible offer and send it to just these subscribers. Alternatively, we can use conditions to build a segment. And this would be, say, for subscribers who opened the email but did not click. To do this, head over to the subscribers page, and then click over to the Segments tab. Click Create Segment. Give your segment a name, and hit Create. And then we're going to add some conditions. I'm going to choose a filter, so say, I'm going to go with Campaigns, then go with Was Opened, and then we'll just pick which campaign we want to apply this to, and Campaigns was not clicked, then the same campaign. This way, this segment will apply to anyone who was sent this campaign and they opened the email, but they did not click any links in that email. And then hit Save Changes. You can also create those conditions before your campaign is even started. To do this, we'll create a campaign and go through all the normal steps. Fill out your campaign details. And then when you get to recipients, you'll want to use advanced filters and go down to more advanced filters. And this is how we'll filter the recipients of the campaign. So like we did in the segment section of the subscribers page, we'll choose campaigns and then choose was opened. And then select the campaign that you're using this retargeting campaign for. And select campaigns. And because we want to select only those subscribers who opened the campaign but did not click any links, we'll go with was not clicked. And then select the campaign. And that way we'll hit select. This is going to auto-select the subscribers who opened but didn't click on any links in the last email. And then you can continue going on to designing the content and the rest of the details for your retargeting email. And we can even apply these types of conditions inside of an automation workflow. So head over to the automation builder. Now keep in mind, if you're editing an existing automation, you'll need to pause it before you can apply these changes. Add a 3-day delay after sending the first email. Then hit save. Add a condition step. Under that condition, choose Workflow Activity, choose your email, and then select Was Opened with no links clicked, and then hit Save. And then simply add an email step under the Yes branch to send these subscribers a follow-up email and maybe include a surprise discount. Want to master email marketing? Check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials on email engagement, automation, and more of the best practices in email marketing.